Hey everyone, this is Steve from OpenBOM, and in today's video I'd like to demonstrate a new function in OpenBOM and our CAD integrations, which is the ability to treat an item that's modeled as an assembly as an individual part or purchased assembly. This is often used for electrical items or even items like pumps or other things where you may model all the parts, including the internal parts, in your CAD design. Here I'm using SolidWorks as an example. But yet you only buy the top level item from your supplier. So we all know that right now, if I was to create an OpenBOM, I would get this electrical component assembly and all of the pieces underneath it if I was to create it as a multi-level. Now, you might say, well, good, I can just make a parts list, and I could just make a parts list. But if there are other items in my bill of material that I want to have indented, but I just don't want this particular item to have all its sub items, currently don't have any way to do that. So in this release, what we are doing in SolidWorks integration is we are going to respect the envelope switch. So in the assemblies custom properties, let's enable envelope and we'll see the little envelope icon show up there. And what that will say to OpenBOM is, hey, bring everything multi-level that might be in this BOM, but for this particular item, only bring the top level item. Still call it an assembly, but we'll treat it as a part. So let me just go ahead and create a bill of material and you can see what I'm talking about. The integration is a little different for the other CAD integrations, or the UI is a little different for other CAD integrations, but you'll see when you get there. So OpenBOM is building a multi-level BOM for this quadcopter, and we are treating that assembly, the electrical assembly, as what most of us would call a purchased assembly. So it'll have a single line item and quantity, and here it is, electrical assembly. It's identified as an assembly, but we don't have any, we're in multi-level right now, we don't see any levels underneath. So to summarize, we are now just listening to the setting in SolidWorks for envelope, and if you set an assembly to envelope, we will not bring any of the components underneath it. We'll appreciate your feedback at support@openbom.com. Thank you.